Innovus is a programme which is designed to help small, medium-sized enterprises, predominantly in Cumbria, to help them develop their new products and services so that they can then grow their businesses.
We're different because the National Nuclear Laboratory and the University of Manchester and the Innovus programme have no interest in the intellectual property that arises from any given development project.
The ideas that we've had in Innovus have been very, very varied. And they've not been specifically nuclear, although there are a lot of nuclear organisations involved in Innovus. It's open to any technology-based ideas.
We've received a grant from Innovus to enable us to look at a proof of concept for a project that we're working on. The team we have, the company is the size of approximately 16 people, and our 16 come from all sorts of different backgrounds. We have a biochemistry graduate, we have geology graduates, architecture graduates. But what's critical to us is the people, and they're very innovative and they're very keen to progress. And what we also find is that it encourages them to stay. People are happy to stay within the business and to grow with the business through their ideas, and they become more part of that. And that grant has and that funding application has required that we meet certain deadlines and certain requirements, but it also forced us to put together a very good project plan and a very detailed project plan, and without which there's a tendency often to put things on the back burner if you're busy doing something else. So it provides a lot more focus for the people and for the business.
The key thing is to make that message simple and sell the opportunity. Make sure you can describe the idea and the benefits clearly. Know what the industry problem is. Outline that industry need. What's the size of the market? What's the size of the opportunity? Is it a competitive landscape? What's your unique selling point? Is there an IP position, and how are you going to protect it? How are you going to stop the competition getting there before you? What are the key milestones as you're moving from concept to product? Are you aware of the funding requirements that you're going to need? Where are the risks? And why you? I think that's one of the key questions. What makes you best placed to deliver this project?
We'll assist, we'll support a variety of projects to hopefully create those technologies that will end up creating jobs and value into the economy.
And it also opens up access to the very large facilities and networks and skills that NNL and University of Manchester have got. So that's all on offer to the applicant as well.
From cradle to grave in that project, they've got someone who they can contact by phone or by email or face to face, who's able to act a little bit like a mentor, but at the same time is able to provide independent, authoritative advice. We're able to encourage in the local community people to collaborate, people to bounce ideas off each other, which is where innovation comes from. We've got people within the laboratory who have taken fundamental research and turned that into commercial products.